Hi, my name is Jakub and this is my investment journey on eToro. I chose eToro because it gives me all the tools I need to consistently beat the market. But it also gives you a community of successful investors you can meet with and you can chat with. My investment strategy is achieve above average returns with below average risk and keep it balanced. I choose 20 to 30 companies for the portfolio to consistently beat the market. The hardest part of my investment journey would be watching all of the opportunities that I let pass me by. For instance, I watched a stock in my watch list do 1000%, but there's always opportunities. I think the key milestone was when I actually met a person I didn't know on the street who copied my portfolio. And he came up to me and said, "Thank you, Jakub, you're a great investor." And that's when I realized the social power of eToro. My most valuable lesson was one that my father taught me when I started investing, and that is invest only in what you understand. I stuck to that lesson for 4 years now, and it's worked ever since. I adapt to changes fast. You can be sure that I keep my finger on the pulse of the companies I invest in, and when something happens, I'm gonna be the first to know. And I also have a plan B, C, and D to react, but also you have to keep things diversified. Why should you copy me? If you're looking for market-beating returns while keeping your risk low, I'm the guy for you. And you can also expect regular market commentary, whether it's my feed, my podcast, my social media, or the analyses I publish on every investment, so you can be sure that you know exactly what's happening with your money.